since I started sharing those videos, some of the game masters in the Discord channel start to ask for a playable version. One of them wanted to use only the map, and I thought was an interesting idea. It's a good thing for me to put it out, Argo there, and have people testing. So I work a little bit into the map. I did a feature to put the lore in the map so he could show to his players. He asked his players about using Argo, and one of the feedbacks, and I quite agree with this, is like, yet another tool. And I asked about his workflow. How does he play? What he use? And apparently he used one VTT just for the map, another VTT to roll the dice and play, and then Discord to do the communication. And of course, you introduce another tool is something that I would not like myself, and I would like to avoid. And that's kind of the thing with Argo, that I start Argo, is to not have people opening and jumping between one tool and another, but instead staying in one place. So I'm thinking, how can I give something to the community, to the game masters, to the players that I can use today? And while proper VTT features are a little bit further away, the way I want to implement it, with the rules really integrated with the system, I was thinking, what features do I have today that could be used and replace some of the tools that I use already? And one of the things that I have is what you're seeing over here, the web chat with a video chat. So let's forget about all the map and all the VTT stuff and dices and whatever, and focus on what can Argo give today, and show a little bit why I stopped calling a VTT and call RPG engine. It's supposed to give more than the table. When I'm not in the scene, I want to be able to ask my friends how is life and not disturb the session. Normally, when you play in person, you go to like a couch or something and just chat a little bit without disturbing the whole session and game, and then the game master can call you back, hey, it's your turn, come back. So I wanted to give this feeling as well to the VTT, but right now all the tools that are there, they don't have this spatial distribution, and everybody speaks in the same volume. As soon as you say something, you break the scene. So let's join over here with my notebook. So what I wanted is a concept of rooms. I'm not in the scene, so I can drag myself out of it and chat with the other players that are in that room without disturbing the session. And as a game master in this computer, I'll be able to bring them back as soon as I want. So this is functional. I need to improve a little bit more some stuff. You have to, all the UI in Argo is detachable, and you can, drag and drop and remove and put none of the screens, stuff like that. It will be useful when we have the actual game over here and you have two screens and you get it, out of that. For now, you can just touch back and put it here. But then I start to chatting with my game masters, and what do they want, what they're trying to do nowadays, and what would help them, and looking online what people are doing. So I start to build session control, a place that you can record the sessions. Everything stays local to the game master, all the audios. Each participant has like one file, so you can open it here and you see like the wave file of each the player and the game master, and this will be described into text for the session, and then it's gonna be summarized. The goal over here is not to replace the game master, but have an assistant that is noting everything that happened in the session and helping you remind it. So if you process the session, you're gonna be able to see what it rate. It's gonna give you like a resume, and major events previously. All those things are made to populate the page of your campaign. So you go over here and you have all the sessions, a bunch of tests for me, and you have like the players arrived at the castle. This thing is the one-liner generated from a real session, from real audio input, from a thing that really happened. And the idea again is to remind. We're able to provide to the assistant all the lore of your campaign. So if you mention something, it doesn't create like a new location. It knows that you're mentioning that one particular location on your database. And again, everything's local, nothing's going to the cloud, nothing's going to anyone's API, everything is running on your computer, everything is stored in your computer, everything is going to your graphics cards to be translated from audio to text, and from the text of the session to the summary of the session. Nothing's invented, nothing's draining your creativity. It's taking notes of what happened. It's helping you remember and enrich your campaign. So if you think those things are useful for you, one like a dedicated RPG web chat and a summary generator and the recording of the session, well, join the Discord channel, propose ideas, tell me what you do different, and yeah, let's see if we can build something together. Cheers.